OQLIS users. Today we are going to chat about schedules. Schedules are an important part of the OQLIS application in that it allows users to have a dashboard in a certain way scheduled to them on a regular basis. What we found with users is that some of the teams would rather have the schedule sent to them on a specific day or time, and then they could analyze the data from the comfort of their email box or their mailbox. So this has become quite an integral part of the OQLIS application, and it's really something that a lot of people use. In creating a schedule is we need to click on the tab that says schedule. We go then through to the schedule page within the application, and what you'll see here is two different areas. One is a schedule and an associated dashboard. So let me first cover the schedule. What the schedule does is you have the opportunity then to add a new schedule and create that schedule that it basically can then associate it to certain people, certain time, and so forth. So let me just quickly start it. So I'm going to start with the first one. You give it a name. So let's continue with our sales theme. So we're going to call it the sales report. And I'm not going to give it a description. I'm going to deliver it on, let's say, on a daily basis. Repeat. When do we want it to repeat? We want it to repeat at 8 o'clock in the morning when the people get to the office, so they have their report. The start date is today, and the end date is in, let's just find an end date, let's say at the end of June. The time zone, we are here in plus 3-2, sorry, in we are in let's just go back to +2, and we are in, let's just call Cairo is the time zone that we are in, so let's just put in a Cairo time and we save it. Oh, see, there's a little thing here. Let's call it the sales report as a description, and let's save it. So what you'll see now is that sales schedule is then added to the list of different schedules that we actually have within our application, and then there's associated dashboard to that sales report that we've created earlier. So what we do is we click on the add button on the associate dashboard, and what we'll do, it'll bring up a little mogul saying to us we would like to associate a dashboard. So we choose the dashboard that we want to associate, which was that monthly dashboards or the monthly sales dashboard. We create it, we choose a schedule that we actually have there. Let's just check there. It's a sales report schedule that we've already created. Choose a type. Now here we have some options. We can either do as an HTML, which is embedded into the application, or embedded into the mail. You can either set it as a PDF, PNG image, or a link to the thing. So today what I'm going to do is a PDF, and I'm going to give this a subject line when it sends it out. We say it's called the daily sales report. I'm going to say, give it a message. Hi salespeople, please find your daily report, your daily sales report. Regards. Just call it the sales manager for whatever the sales manager. We're going to register a user. It's going to go out as myself, Sean, at OQLIS, and the role it's going to go to admin, and we are not going to put in, and the option is you can actually run it as a registered user, which means all the pre-filters that registered user can see will be applied. So let's just click that, and then you can put any external users in terms of emails, which I'm not going to add into here, but let's just go through there, and I'll save it. So what you'll see now, that sales dashboard has then been put into the schedule, and it's sent to the role as an admin, and basically at 8 o'clock every morning what will happen is that will then run, and the salesperson will get through. So next, what I'll do is I will then go through what the report will look like when it comes through my mailbox. What's happened now is we've received the email from the scheduler, and I did change it to 2 o'clock from the 8 o'clock so that I could actually do it. So this is a really a basic email that I've received. You'll see that it comes from it's called the daily sales report. It's been sent to myself. It says, "Hi Sean Winterburn," so it's put in the thing there, "Hi sales people, please find your daily report, regards sales manager." And you have two options here. Either you can go to the dashboard, which is an embedded link, or you can actually pull up the PDF and distribute that further. So let me just click on the PDF. What you'll see is that exactly sales report has been then put into a PDF, and it's been scaled nicely according to the page that we've actually wanted it to do. So really nice and easy to get your report in a flat format, either PDF, PNG, TIFF, or a text file. And the second part is you can actually go directly to the dashboard. So if you click on that, what it does is it goes to the dashboard, it finds that dashboard, brings it up, and then applies your rules. And this is really where the original dashboard is, and you can obviously now then go and interrogate the data as whatever. So it gives you two options here. One is you get it in a flat format that you can embed into anything, into a presentation, into a Word document, into any format that you would like to do it, to use it as a static report. And then you also have the option then to go to the physical dashboard and go and do your interrogation as you want. It's almost like a reminder for the users to be able to do that. So quite powerful for the customers to be able to see the dashboards in two different areas and in their mailbox.